This is the Unvaulted Ideas set 4802, ages 6 and up. Let's get started.
Alright, we're done. I just finished building this gun. Unlimited ideas. You could build different ones. It comes in the guide, the different types. I built the one on the box. Here it is. It comes with 3. These are the bullets. They look just like this. And let me show you the different chambers it has. So, right here in the, you see this here, that there's a reason this is has that. So let me show you. Okay, you open it. I already put a bullet right here. You can see it right there where it's gonna come out. Okay, you click it there. Here it has another chamber, but this other chamber is so because it you gotta fix the little springs. There it is. They're all there. It helps you out so you can fix it. So let us try shooting it. Okay, we're getting ready to load it. You gotta put it inside that little circle. Close it. I already pulled it back before I loaded it. Okay, and let's go. Let me go ahead and shoot. There it goes. Okay, so you're able to build with this. This gives you options to build. You could build these different ones, these types, and it's all inside the manual. So when you've built the first one, which is this one that I built, you have options to, you see, this is a second form because it's a 3-in-1. So it tells you, oh, you could build, starting from this one is the first one, and then from there you change it up to the different ones. It's an awesome build. I enjoyed it.